Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello, guys. Welcome to my live stream. I hope you guys are all doing really well today, and thank you for joining the today's live stream session. First of all, I'll just check it out that if my live stream is all right or not. Then we are gonna proceed. Okay. Okay. Lovely. So just give me a moment of time. I will just check it out if my live stream is live or not. Okay. So let me just deploy the red packets first of all and check it out that if my live is okay or not. Yeah, I can see that my live stream is good. Yeah, I can proceed, I think. And guys, please do me a comment out there so that I can also know about it, that if my sound is clear or not. Okay, if my sound is clear, then I'm gonna continue. Okay, and today's live stream session is gonna be an, of course, an informative live stream session for you as well, guys. So I hope you'll stay tuned with us and definitely get some nice and lovely information out of the today's live stream session and get some lovely rewards from me. Okay. So first of all, let me just drop out all the things and we are good to go. Okay. Okay. There will be tons of red packets today for all of you guys who are joining in. So no problem. Just stay tuned and you will get some lovely red packets out there. So do try to claim it out, okay, guys? Okay. So let me just quickly, okay, I'll just quickly deploy the red packets for my lovely audiences who are watching the today's live stream session with me here. After that, I'm gonna start the today's live stream session as usual. Okay, guys? Okay, nice. Okay, I have just deployed the red packets. Yes, it's good to go now. Hmm. So first of all, I like to welcome every one of you guys. Okay, first of all, I like to welcome every one of you who are joining in the live stream session. So, guys, do let me know how are you doing today, and of course, if you have make any profit out of the today's market. Uh, Till now or not, you can definitely let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna definitely check it out, all of your queries out there from the comment section. Okay, guys, so don't miss the chance to join out the today's live stream session and get some nice and lovely insights, and of course some lovely red packets for the lovely followers out there. Okay, so I'll just first of all I'll check out the bitcoins chart. Okay, but also there is also a um today's I mean this live stream session, I have divided it into like 5 segment today. Okay, so I hope you will stay tuned with me and get some lovely information out of the today's live stream session out there. Okay, so just give me a moment. Let me just clear out the chart first. We're gonna freshly analyze all the chart out there. Okay, is it good to you guys? Okay, let me just check one thing if I am in live in the platform or not. Okay, okay. You know, need to double check, okay? Because if I continue and after that I saw that I've got on offline some technical reasons, so that will be really disheartening for me also. So I'll just make sure double check, okay? I'll just double check out, so then we can good to go. After that, I mean, okay. So I hope you will be here. And of course, guys, thanks for joining in the today's live stream session, because today's live stream session is gonna be definitely an informative live stream session for all of you guys who are joining in. And of course, we are at the very last part of this year 2024. Okay, so guys, I hope you also know about it. The year will be ended very soon, so you can also let me know what's your year end result out there. How did this year goes for you? If it goes well, you can also let me know, and if it didn't go well as you have been expecting previously, you can also let me know in the chat box. No problem, I'm gonna definitely check out all the comments today. Okay, and thank you, Robert One Gen, for joining out the live stream session as early as I have just started it. Okay, really appreciate it. Okay, so I have already told you that today's live stream session is gonna be like a 5 segment live stream session for all of you guys. So I hope you are ready for it. Okay, okay. So if you are ready for it, do let me know in the comment section so that I can also know about it, guys. I think you are definitely eager to waiting for the today's live stream session. Thank you. Okay. So I have, as I have already told you, today's live stream session is gonna be in like 5 segments. First of all, in the very first segment, I am gonna discuss about Bitcoin's current price, and of course, it dropped below like 95,000 K. Okay, that is some concerning things out there, guys. Okay, so I hope you will stay tuned with me in the today's live stream session and get some nice and lovely information out of this today's live stream session. Okay, so first of all, as I have said, the 5 segment, the first segment will be the Bitcoin's performance in this Christmas crash. Okay, Bitcoin did crash below 95,000 K. Okay, that's not like many days ago. It's like 1 2, yes, like 2 days ago, Bitcoin did fall below the $95,000. Okay, hi HII 2004. Thank you. Good broadcast. Say thank you for your lovely comment out there. Okay. So first of all, we're gonna check out the current Bitcoin trends out there. Okay, how is the Bitcoin is now currently trading in? Okay, guys, and of course, if you have any I have already told you that if you have any feedback, do let me know in the comment section. And of course, please. Host will be definitely Universe M with all of you guys here. Okay. Okay, so feel free to drop your questions in the chat. Let's make this live session more interactive with all of you guys who are joining in. Okay. And thank you for your lovely comment out there. Brother, good broadcast says. Okay, nice, nice. That's lovely. So wait a second. I'll just check. Okay, yes, everything is good. So we're talking about the Bitcoin's performance in this Christmas crash. Okay, Bitcoin did crash from here. Was like a bit of concerning. Okay, for all of the users out there. Okay, so I hope you are safe in this Bitcoin's certain market. Okay, if you are market crash, then you are good to go. Okay, because this kind of market crash happened in the crypto market and it's not that uncommon. Okay, nice. I'll just and of course guys, do let me know your opinions out there. Okay, I really appreciate your nice and lovely opinions out there, and I like to hear your lovely opinions out there in the today's live stream session. So I was talking about the bitcoins. Okay, bitcoin's key levels out there. So yeah, of course I'm gonna give you a quick recap on the bitcoin's key level out there, because it did fall below the 95,000 k, and yes, it's a bit of concerning out there, but no problem. Let's see how the bitcoin works out now. Okay, so this was previously it was a key level out there. If I just mark it out, first of all. Okay, so this is the week of the previous, like, okay, let me just check out the date. Yes, it is the 5th December of 2024. This was the week, that week candle, I mean. So kind of spinning top candle out there, okay? If you check out in the daily time frame, this is kind of looks like a spinning top candle out there. So I think you also know about it, okay? And thank you, Atakon, for joining the live stream, and thank you for dropping out that nice and lovely comment for the live stream sessions audiences out there. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, if you ask me to check out the current Bitcoin price, it in my perspective, Bitcoin is kind of looks like a bearish case scenario out there for me. Okay, and why I am saying it's kind of bearish, because you did check it out that first of all in this, okay, all these are like kind of hammer patterns out there, and and I hope you know about the hammer patterns out there, how it works out for the market. Okay, and it's very important to know about it, the hammer pattern, the inverse hammer pattern, and all the necessary patterns out there, chart pattern, I mean, is very important for this one. Okay guys, if you know about it, that's great, but if you don't know about it, if you can ask me, I'll try my best to answer it out for all the lovely audiences who are joining in the today's live stream session. Okay guys, is it clear? Okay, I think it is clear. So of course you can let me know, and if you have any questions, do drop out. I'll definitely check it out. Okay. Okay, so if I just check out the current Bitcoin's market trend out there, this is the daily candle chart out there. Okay, this is a daily time frame. As you can see, today is like 23rd of the December, and Bitcoin still closed below the previous day's low. So I hope you know about this one. When a candlestick did close below its previous candle, that means that it just negate the previous trend. Okay, so if I just consider the yesterday's daily candle closing and compare it to the today's daily candle, you can check it out. It did close in a very bearish manner out there in the chart pattern. Okay, and those guys who have been holding out the Bitcoin short trades out there from here when it dropped below here, they are already in a huge profit, in my point of view. So those guys who have opened the long position, I think they are kind of in like trapped. Okay, because this is the formation is kind of like trap. Okay, trap formation out there. Okay, this was clearly indicating that a market can move higher, but still just fails to control it. So now I can expect definitely the minimum level to retest, I mean the test, it will be here. Okay, because Bitcoin didn't clear out this area. Okay, it did dump till this zone, but didn't clear out the whole weak level of gap out there. So I am expecting, okay, I am expecting from the Bitcoin's current market to just take a quick bounce from this zone and again go up. That will be the ideal case scenario that I have been thinking out. And but you also need to understand that there is so like ideal things in the world, okay, sometimes out there, okay. So here I can definitely expect by respecting with the price action here, Bitcoin can revisit this area. Okay, revisit this area and show us a consolidation and again move up. Okay, this can be the nice scenario that I have been previously expecting from the Bitcoin. So let's see how Bitcoin works out now. Okay, if it's gonna works out as I have been just expecting, then it will be really good for all of our viewers out there. Okay, okay, nice. So here the daily time frame chart, it's kind of looks like a bearish trend out there, but it did fall below the EMA level, and you know I like to trade in the EMA strategy very much out there in the market, so I hope you also know about it. Okay, so basically, that's the thing. Okay, that is the thing I have been expecting from the Bitcoin's market cap. That is the really the thing. Okay, I think my comments are again disappearing. So let me just close out the stream in the phone and again gonna be get back to you. Okay, give me like some seconds out. Okay, nice. Wow, hey, Crypto Voyager joins out the live channel. Thank you, Crypto Voyager, for joining out the today's live stream session. Okay, okay. Yes, I'm fine. What about you, Crypto Voyager? Are you doing also well today? And how was your trading going, brother? Okay, nice. So here, as you can see in the BTC USD daily time frame, kind of looks like a bearish momentum out there, but still the momentum is not that great to break down from this level. Okay, so this is the major level that I'm gonna definitely expect to hold out by the Bitcoins. Okay, so like $90,000 area. If Bitcoin fall from this $90,000 area, the next immediate zone of support can be here in this area. If I just mark it out, okay, this week level area, like $85,000 area. Okay, so I am definitely gonna expect the Bitcoin to hold out in this area. Okay, that's the basically the thing. So wait a second. Yeah, if you check it out that in my in current point of view, Bitcoin did break down from its current uptrend. If I just mark a trend line from here, okay, if I just so if I just draw a trend line from here till I'll just take those weeks out there in the market. So you can check it out that this is a clear breakdown of this upward facing trend line out there. So if I just also change out its color, I think yeah, okay, let me just check it out in the black. So you did check it out that Bitcoin did fall from its current very bullish uptrend out there and did fall from here. Okay, thank you, Gildor, for joining out the live stream session. I am fine. What about you, buddy? I hope you are doing also well today. But thank you. Thanks for joining in, Crypto Voyager. Let me just write it to you. Okay, lovely. And how are you? Fine. And what about you, buddy? And thanks for joining in the live stream session as well. Okay, Emily says my vote is already for you. Thank you, Emily, for your lovely comments out there. So basically, guys, in the Bitcoin, it did fall from the previously marked trend line out there, and now it's currently trading below the trend line support out there. So definitely, I can expect these are the two major key levels for the Bitcoin to hold out. Okay, if Bitcoin couldn't hold out this two zone, if I just remove this one and of course remove this chart also, so you can check it out that currently Bitcoin is in like $95,487.3, but you can check it out that previous like 2 days Bitcoin did fall from closed below, I mean fall below the $95,000 area. Okay, that's a like kind of a market structure shift out there. Okay, so I hope you are safe in this sudden market crash out there, and of course, do manage your risk. I am so good, bro. Can you check XBZ? Okay, definitely, no problem. Just stay tuned. This is of course an informative live stream session out there for all of you guys. Definitely gonna check it out. All of your questions out there. Okay, let me just complete my Bitcoin analysis in my current segment. Okay, Kildor brother. I hope it is okay with you. No problem. Definitely gonna check it out. And thank you every one of you for joining in the today's live stream session. I really appreciate that you guys have been joining out in the today's live stream session, and thank you for your lovely interactions in the chat box area. That's really great. Okay, so in the previously, if I just check it out, the yearly performance for the Bitcoin, if I just go in the like weekly chart, you can check it out that this year, okay, let me just check it out that when this year started out. Okay, so this is the first week of this 2024. Okay, what is, yes, so this is the candle of the first week of 2024. And when this year started, Bitcoin's price was in like let me just check it out. It was like $41,000 area, and at the very end of this year, Bitcoin did a new all-time high. Bitcoin just break out its all-time high of the previous historical high out there, and did make a high like 108,429.3 dollars. Okay, so that's a kind of like 160.51 percentage of return in 1 year. Can you imagine, guys? Okay, and of course, that was an expected move out there from the Bitcoin. And you know the reason this can be expected, because the mass adoption in the crypto space are spreading like wildfire out there. Okay, and many new users are just very attracted to join in this crypto space, because it is really attractive currently, and because of the Bitcoins and all the altcoins out there. So if I just check it out, an year end analysis and year end return for the Bitcoins chart, you can clearly check it out. This is a clear 160.51 percentage of movement, guys. That's some crazy movement out there from the Bitcoins chart. So I hope you get an nice and lovely idea about the Bitcoin. Okay, the potential in Bitcoin is really high in my point of view. Okay, and you can see the year end result out there. So let me just deploy some red packets for the audiences who are watching in the stream session. So just give me a just like a moment, so I'll just deploy it and gonna be get back to you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so wait a second, please. Okay, nice. So okay, done. And of course, guys, of course, if you have any questions, do let me know. I will try my best to answer it out for my lovely audiences who are watching the today's live stream session. Okay, nice. And definitely, we're going to talk about many things in this live stream session. So, of course, you can ask me if you have any questions for me in this live stream session. Okay, nice and lovely out there. So, basically, this is the year end return for the Bitcoins. Price action currently, and also the return. Did you check it out that there's some crazy amount of return from the Bitcoin we get if you are a holder from the very beginning of this 2024, like from the January 2024 2024, then you are already in like 160.5% in profit in the Bitcoin. Can you imagine, guys, in like 1 year of time, a asset, okay, a very strong asset, just to give you a huge percentage of return. Okay, but also that is a very that is the very thing that you can be in particular, you didn't particularly see out this kind of movement out there in the yearly time frame of the Bitcoins chart. Okay, so this year Bitcoins is already make the history. So still Bitcoin is still looking bullish, because the key levels for the Bitcoin are currently just holding out the level of $90,000 and the $85,000 area. So if the Bitcoin just take a quick correction towards the $90,000 area or like $88,000 area, it will not be a surprise for all of us here. Okay, because it's very normal. Okay, Bitcoin is already pumped like crazy out there and already overheated. Although this previous week candle did show us a good correction, and now price is still above the EMA area, so that's looking really great in my point of view. And the potential in Bitcoin is very high, and the mass crypto adoption is increasing every day. So yeah, we can definitely hope that the next target can be like above 150K or 101 120K, like that. Okay, okay. And also we can also anticipate the potential reasons, okay, reasons for this sudden market crash out there, because holiday profit taking like kind of scenario happened here, okay, in the holidays, in the or like in the there are uh, buyers out there to book the profit, okay, and many investors take profits before the new year, leading to sell pressure out there. That can be also a reason out there for the sudden bitcoin crash out there, okay. And of course the broader economic landscape, including interest rates and of course the political events, also affects the market sentiment, okay. So I hope you also know about it, okay. Nice and lovely out there. And also, if you ask me how can I trade in this current bitcoins market, I will say to you that if you want to trade in, of course you need to have a definite strategy, and of course I'll just give you a short term and long term in personal opinion from in bitcoin, okay. So in the short term, okay, low volatility over Christmas suggests this might be an ideal time for accumulation. Okay, guys. So don't just afraid, okay, because Bitcoin did fall from its current uptrend, and it is the time for you to accumulate Bitcoin out there. Okay. So there is a saying I like to say every time in my live stream: if you can't buy in red, you can't sell in green. That's the thing, guys. Okay, so don't be afraid. Reaccumulate Bitcoin, and of course do DCA. That is the thing. Okay. If you can do DCA, then you are good to go. Okay, you can make huge profit out of this. And if I say a long term vision for the Bitcoin, okay, wow, Bitcoin just break out $96,000 area just a bit now. Wow. So in the long term, okay, I am expecting a potential rebound in 2020 Q1 in 2025. Okay, as liquidity re-enters the market, we can see some potential movement from the Bitcoin out there. And also, if you just check it out, the Bitcoin's year-end return out there after the halving year, there was like some good amount of return, 20%, 30%. That's the kind of return that Bitcoin already give after the halving years. But in this time, in this today's 2024 year, um also it was an halving year out there, and bitcoin didn't, okay, show us like more than in monthly, if you just check it out the yearly time frame,